Today we're going to be unboxing one of MTH's premier freight cars. This is a limited edition that was produced by the Canadian Toy Train Association. It's called the Victoria Terminal Railway and Ferry Company. This car is numbered 317, but there were other numbers. It's a 36-foot wood-sided reefer car, and it's item number 20-94536. I've never done an unboxing before, so I thought I would try one. Comes in its exterior box, its case, made in China. Nicely packed, cardboard end. Comes out of the box in a traditional MTH style purple box. And you can see it's packed very nicely. I like to carefully open the ends without causing any tears. Here is the end flap. Victoria Terminal Railway and Ferry Company, number 317, 36-foot wood-sided reefer, item number, and so forth. As usual, they are usually stuck inside their box. You need to open the other side, kind of push it out if you don't want to rip the box. Okay, I see it is packed with a MTH warranty registration card that you have to go to their website in order to activate. Limited 1-year warranty and service. And there is a plastic piece over it to hold it in and protect it. Take that off. It is wrapped. Well, first of all, it's in a styrofoam package. And it is wrapped in plastic. There are two plastic inserts in here. I think they're for the KD, if you want to switch it over to KD couplers. We'll get those out of the way. We'll get the other packing out of the way. Take it out of the plastic wrap. Take the cardboard protectors off of the couplers. It's a really nice looking car. The doors are supposed to open. I don't know if they, here we go. There they are. They open nice. They're better than, I like them better than the doors that open sideways, because at least they're not going to slide open as it's going around the track. Had a little furry friend just walked in front of the camera, so I had to shut it off. But anyway, the doors open nicely. You have to close them a certain way, and they do have a little handle here that locks them in place, which is kind of a nice feature. I like that. The knuckle couplers are magnetic. I guess this is what opens them up when you're on the track. Close them up. You can open them, I guess, just by pushing this little lever down right here. Or up, or down. What is it? It's up, back. You have to push it back. Okay. Do that again. Okay, I'm used to mostly Lionel. I think I only have one other MTH car, but this is built very nicely. With a ladder on this side and one on the other side in the same location. Nice brake wheel with a ladder mounted in the back. I believe these hatches are supposed to open. I think there's a little lever on here. I can get it. Here we go. And there we go. All these 4 reefer hatches do open. The little lever locks them in place. They're plastic, so obviously you have to be careful. And all in all, pretty nice. The trucks are sprung. You can see some springs in there. Wheels are metal. And most of the rest of the car is plastic. The steps here are metal. And all in all, it's a really, really nice car. Can't wait to... I'm not a person that lets a car sit on a shelf. So this is kind of a collectible. But it'll be running. And that looks like it's raised up a little bit, but it shouldn't be a problem. And that's it. That's the Victoria Terminal Railway and Ferry Company. Limited production through the Canadian Toy Train Association. Thank you very much for producing this car. Very appreciated. It's really, really nice. One of the reasons I purchased this car, my mother's name was Victoria. She passed away in 2013, and it's kind of a tribute to her. Anyway, thanks for watching.